'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
20 years ago, we didn't know for sure that there is a black hole at the center of our galaxy. But by measuring bursts of radiation and observing in detail the orbits of stars close to the galactic center, we now know that Sagittarius A star definitely exists.
Prepare to have your mind blown. Scientists may have just found something inside a black hole that defies our current understanding of physics. Today, we're diving into this cosmic enigma, exploring the groundbreaking theories of Brian Cox and the ripple of skepticism they've set off in the scientific community. We'll also uncover other astonishing black hole discoveries that are reshaping our view of the universe. Intrigued? Before we get into what the scientists found, let's kick things off by getting to know the man behind the theories, Brian Cox. Who is Brian Cox? Brian Cox is an English physicist who's got a knack for making science cool. Born on March 3rd, 1968, he's not just a brainy guy, he's also a former musician. He's a professor of particle physics at the University of Manchester and holds the title of the Royal Society Professor for Public Engagement in Science. Before diving deep into the world of physics, he was a member of the rock band Dare until 1992. Brian Cox is a big deal in both the scientific community and among regular folks like us. He's best known for hosting science programs, especially BBC Radio 4's The Infinite Monkey Cage. He's got this unique ability to break down complex scientific ideas into bits we can all understand. His work has inspired a new generation to get excited about science, from black holes to quantum mechanics. While Brian Cox is widely respected, he's not without his critics. Some people in the scientific community feel that he simplifies complex theories too much, which can lead to misunderstandings. But let's be real. Science is complicated, and making it accessible to everyone is no small feat. The mysteries of black holes. Black holes are the enigmas of the universe, regions where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Scientists have been studying them for years, trying to unlock their secrets. We know they form when massive stars collapse, and that they can act like cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking in matter. But there's still a lot we don't know, like what's really going on inside them. Brian Cox has been diving into the mysteries of black holes for years. In his new book, Black Holes, The Key to Understanding the Universe, he explores how black holes might help us reconcile the clash between our understanding of gravity at a cosmological scale and the physics of the minutiae that underlies it. Quantum theory. Cox suggests that black holes could be hiding something that challenges our current theories. It's like a cosmic plot twist that has everyone buzzing. Cox's work builds on Stephen Hawking's discoveries from the 1970s, which set up a fundamental clash between Einstein's theory of gravity and quantum theory. Hawking discovered that black holes have a temperature, a groundbreaking idea that led to modern theories, suggesting that the temperature of a black hole has to do with the information it can store or hide from us. This has sparked a quantum revolution in astrophysics, and Brian Cox is at the forefront, pushing the boundaries of what we know about black holes and the universe. The terrifying discovery. So, what's this terrifying discovery Brian Cox is talking about? Well, let's get into it. According to Cox, new observations suggest that something unexpected is happening inside black holes. While we can't see into a black hole, the data hints at phenomena that defy our current understanding of physics. It's like the universe threw us a curveball, and now scientists are scrambling to figure out what it means. The scientific community is buzzing with theories about what this could be. Some think it might be a new form of matter or energy that we haven't identified yet. Others speculate that it could be a clue to understanding dark matter or dark energy, two of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. Brian Cox himself has suggested that this discovery could be a game changer, forcing us to rewrite some of the fundamental theories about the universe. So why should we care? Well, this discovery could have massive implications for our understanding of black holes, and by extension, the universe itself. If there's something inside black holes that we don't understand, it means there's a gap in our knowledge, and that gap could be hiding the answers to some of the biggest questions in science. Are black holes doorways to other dimensions? Do they play a role in the formation of galaxies? The possibilities are both exciting and, yes, a little terrifying. Because when it comes to the universe, the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. Scientific backlash. While there's no direct criticism of Brian Cox's black hole theories, It's worth noting that groundbreaking scientific claims often face rigorous scrutiny. Many in the scientific community adopt a wait-and-see approach, especially when the data is new or preliminary. Critics argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. They caution that what's being observed could be a result of instrumentation errors or even natural variations in black hole behavior that we don't fully understand yet. Brian Cox is well aware of the scientific process and the skepticism that comes with it. He acknowledges that the data is new and that more research is needed. But he also emphasizes the importance of thinking outside the box. According to Cox, science advances by challenging the status quo, and that's precisely what he aims to do with his theories on black holes. He calls for more rigorous studies and data collection to either confirm or debunk the initial findings. In his view, whether you agree with him or not, the discovery has already succeeded in sparking a vital debate that could push the boundaries of what we know about black holes and the universe. Other mind-bending black hole discoveries. While Brian Cox's theories are stirring up the scientific community, they're not the only black hole discoveries making waves. These other findings add more layers to the ongoing debate and show just how much we still have to learn. Wandering black holes. You might think black holes are stationary, but that's far from the truth. NASA has been tracking a black hole that's actually wandering through its galaxy. This isn't just a leisurely stroll. As it moves, it's pulling stars, planets, and even light into its gravitational field. The implications? We might need to rethink how galaxies evolve over time. The galactic selfie. We've all seen the first ever image of a black hole. But did you know we've also captured an image of Sagittarius A*? That's the supermassive black hole at the center of our very own Milky Way galaxy. This isn't just a cosmic photo op. It's a chance to study black holes up close and personal, right in our galactic backyard. Star shredders. Black holes don't just suck things in, they can also tear stars apart. This phenomenon, known as a tidal disruption event, happens when a star gets too close to a black hole and is ripped apart by gravitational forces. The debris then forms an accretion disk around the black hole. This is more than a spectacle. It's a rare opportunity to study the extreme conditions near a black hole. Double confirmation. If one image of a black hole blew your mind, how about a second one for good measure? A second image would provide additional data and could either confirm or challenge our existing theories about black holes. It's like the universe giving us a second chance to get our facts straight. The neighbor's secret. Our neighboring galaxy, the Large Magellanic Cloud, has been keeping a secret. It's harboring a black hole within one of its star clusters. This is more than a cosmic curiosity. It's a clue that could help us understand how black holes form and evolve in different galactic environments. Real-world implications. You might be wondering, how does a discovery about black holes affect me? Well, believe it or not, groundbreaking scientific discoveries often trickle down into technologies we use every day. For instance, the algorithms used to process black hole data could be adapted for medical imaging or climate modeling. If Brian Cox's discovery holds up, it could lead to new fields of study and technologies that we can't even imagine yet. So, while you might not feel the impact tomorrow, this could be the kind of thing that shapes our future in unexpected ways. Anytime we venture into unknown territory, ethical questions pop up. If this discovery leads to new technologies, who gets access to them? And what if studying black holes gives us the ability to manipulate them in some way? Should we even mess with such powerful forces of nature? These are the kinds of ethical dilemmas that scientists and policymakers will have to grapple with as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe. Brian Cox's discovery inside a black hole is the kind of thing that shakes up our understanding of the universe. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, you can't deny that we're living in a time where the boundaries of knowledge are being pushed like never before. So, let's not shy away from the big, uncomfortable questions. They're the ones that often lead to the most groundbreaking answers. As we continue to probe the depths of space, one thing is clear: the universe still has plenty of secrets to reveal, and they might just be more mind-bending than we ever imagined.